Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and welcome to this timeless Vantage GT8, supplied by ourselves new and to the other two previous keepers. This vehicle is finished in Scintilla Silver with the exposed carbon fibre front valence, side sills and rear diffuser, along with the red graphics pack. This particular car has done 5,683 miles from new with a full HWM service history. When ordered new, had quite a few Coupe features added to the vehicle. Running you around the car, we have the carbon fibre mesh front grille with Coupe paint in red to match the graphics pack. And as I say, finished in Scintilla Silver, which is a beautiful colour for this car. We have the 19-inch forged lightweight wheels finished in satin black, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tyres, which were a standard feature for GT8 when it was launched. We have Coupe finish red mirror caps to match the graphics pack, as well as you can see the red brake calipers with the Brembo branding. Also optioned on this vehicle was the full titanium exhaust system, which, if anybody knows the GT8 will understand, that is probably one of the most phenomenal noises you'll hear from an Aston. We also have Coupe finish gloss black badging on the boot lid, along with these red end plates for the rear wing. Unusually for this particular vehicle, this car was optioned with the polycarbonate rear window and rear quarter lights, which I'm not too sure whether you can see, but you might be able to hear it on the sides and on the back. Moving around on the interior, this particular GT8 was specified with the manual adjustable seats with 2 position on the heights, in the black Alcantara with the red stitching and the low line centre console. We have a carbon fascia dash with black dials and switches and an Alcantara steering wheel. Also specified on the interior on this vehicle, we have the auto dimming rear view camera, auto dimming rear view mirror, reverse camera and premium audio, along with the alarm upgrade. As much as this is sort of a track day car for the road, along with any Vantage, boot space is always an abundance. And we also have there the carbon corners for the front bumper, sensibly taken off. In outstanding condition inside and out this vehicle. It is available, as I say, on the timeless scheme, or if you want further information, do give us a call here at the showroom. This particular car was signed off and numbered with number 54 of 150, and I may have forgotten to mention is in a manual format.